Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Headspace account. For that, just go and open your app, and now you have to I'm already logged in, so I'll just log out from here. And after that, you need to finish this exercise before you start doing anything in this app, and tap on login button. Before that, you need to and you'll have to tap on forgot password and tap on enter email, and there you have to enter your email address and tap on send button, and they will send you a reset link on your Gmail. Just open your Gmail app and find that email and tap that link, and it will take you to another website from where you can reset your password and go back to your login page, enter your email address and password and tap on login button, and that is how you can recover your account. But if you are using your Apple, Google or Facebook or any platforms like this, just select your platforms and tap your account, then choose your account and tap on continue button. You will be logged into your Headspace. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.